History of Purataman Ayun Temple and its contents. Purataman Ayun Temple is one of the most significant and beautiful temples in Bali, Indonesia, located in the village of Mengwi, Badung Regency. This temple is renowned for its stunning architecture and historical importance. Here is an overview of its history and contents. History 1. Foundation. Purataman Ayun was built in 1634 by the king of Mengwi, I Gusti Agung Putu, as a royal temple for the Mengwi kingdom. The name Mamazar Taman Ayun translates to beautiful garden, reflecting the temple's serene and picturesque surroundings. 2. Purpose. The temple was constructed to honor the ancestors of the Mengwi dynasty and to serve as a place of worship for the local community. It was also intended to demonstrate the kingdom's power and prosperity. 3. Architectural influence. The temple's design reflects traditional Balinese architecture. With multi-tiered shrines, miru, and intricate carvings, it is surrounded by a large moat, symbolizing the temple's connection to the cosmic ocean. Cuatros UNESCO World Heritage Site. Purataman Ayun was designated as part of the UNESCO World Heritage Site under the Main Cultural Landscape of Bali Province Dao. Contents of the temple. Main shrines, Meru. The temple complex features several Meru, multi-tiered shrines dedicated to various deities, including the highest Meru with 11 tiers, symbolizing Mount Agung, the sacred mountain of Bali. These shrines are used for offerings and prayers to the gods and ancestors. The outer courtyard, Nista Mandala. This area is the entrance to the temple and is often used for community gatherings and traditional ceremonies. It includes a large open space and a beautiful garden. 3. Middle courtyard, Madhya Mandala. The middle courtyard contains several pavilions and smaller shrines, used for meditation and preparation for rituals. It also features a large banyan tree, considered sacred in Balinese culture. 4. Inner courtyard, Uttama Mandala. The innermost and most sacred area of the temple, where the main shrines are located. Only priests and those participating in ceremonies are allowed to enter this area. Mountain Gardens. The temple is surrounded by a wide moat, creating a sense of tranquility and separation from the outside world. The gardens are meticulously maintained, adding to the temple's beauty and peaceful atmosphere. 6. Cultural significance. Purataman Ayun is not only a place of worship but also a cultural symbol of Bali's rich heritage and spiritual traditions. It hosts various festivals and ceremonies throughout the year, attracting both locals and tourists. Purataman Ayun Temple remains a must-visit destination for those interested in Balinese culture, history, and spirituality. Its harmonious blend of natural beauty and architectural grandeur makes it a true gem of Bali. Enjoy the video.